In this video, I'm going to show you how to plug the Wolfcom third eye to a HD TV using the supplied HDMI cable. Now, for the purposes of this video, I've already taken the liberty of plugging one end of an HDMI cable to the back of an HD TV. Now, what I want to do next is I want to go ahead and plug the HDMI cable to the Wolfcom third eye. Now, holding the third eye so that it's facing you, the back is facing you, you want to go ahead and gently pull the rubber tabs on the left of the side of the unit, exposing the HDMI port. You want to go ahead and plug it in like that. Now you want to power on the unit, but before you do, you want to make sure that the OTR switch is in up position. This is very important. Once you're sure that the OTR switch is in up position, go ahead and press the power button for 2 seconds to power on the unit. The unit will now power on. Now you see that the display has powered on. Now what we want to do is we want to see this display on the TV. So I want to transfer this display onto the TV. So next, what I do now is I'm going to go ahead and power on the television. And once it's powered on, I'm going to have to select the HDMI channel. Now I've connected the HDMI cable to the back of the TV to HDMI port 1. So I want to make sure that when I select my input channel, I want to select HDMI 1, which is right there. So now that they're on the same channel, what's going to happen is the display here is going to transfer onto your TV. So now I could watch the TV and use the Wolfcom third eye as a controller or remote controller to play back, fast forward, rewind, pause the videos. So now I want to watch the video. Go ahead and press mode. And just wait a second, pop up and change on TV. And it's taking me to camera mode, so I want to go ahead and press mode again and again until I'm at playback mode. Now here I am at playback mode. Now if you press mode one too many times and you've passed this, don't worry. Just keep pressing mode and it'll toggle back and loop back to the playback mode. So now that I'm at the playback mode, if I press the joystick button here, I could see a thumbnail view of all my photos, my videos, and my audio files. And I could use a joystick to move up between files and then to make my selection. In this case, I want to go ahead and play back this video here. So I went ahead and I moved the joystick so that it's highlighted in yellow. And once I did that, I want to go ahead and make my selection by pressing in on the joystick. And it's taken me to the playback screen. Actually, this is the video I want to play back. So once I'm at this video and I want to play it, I can now go ahead and press in on the joystick to play the video. Looking at the video, you can see the unique number for the unit, the date and timestamp, along with the GPS coordinates. Now, using the Wolfcom third eye as a controller, I can fast forward by pushing right on the joystick, and the more I push to the right, the faster the video will speed up. Now if I push left on the joystick, it'll actually slow down, and the more I push to the left on the joystick, the slower the video becomes. Now if I want it back to normal speed, I can just go ahead and press to the right, and I'm at normal speed. Now if I want to rewind the video, all I need to do is press the joystick up, and the video will now rewind. And if I want to fast forward again, all I need to do is press the joystick up again, and it will now play back in a regular forward mode, like so. Now I want to show you something. Let's say that there's an image I want to see, like that guy jogging there. I can go ahead and push in on the joystick to pause the video. And now that I've paused the video and I've captured him here on the screen, if I want to move the frame incrementally, frame by frame, I can do so. So first, making sure that you pause the image, press up on the joystick, and once you do, you're going to see a play icon next to the pause, and that's going to tell you that you're in the frame by frame mode. Now to move frame by frame, all I need to do is press the joystick to the right, and every time I do, it moves it frame by frame. and then moving the joystick to the left moves it backward frame by frame. Now if I want to get out of the frame by frame mode, just push the joystick up again and I'm on pause mode. Now I'm going to show you something really cool. It's called screen capture. Now I can capture this image and save it as a JPEG, as a photo JPEG, by pressing the secondary record button, like that. Now what that just did is it just saved this entire image as a JPEG photo, as a JPEG file, so that now I can go ahead and download this onto a computer and I'll have that JPEG which I could email it out to anyone I want. Now this is valuable, and the reason why is because now I don't have to go through several minutes of video just to get this image. Now I've seen the face of the person I want. I can go ahead and create a screen capture, and now it's much faster for me to just pull out JPEG than to go through several minutes of video. To begin playback, to resume playing, just press that. Press inward on the joystick and it's playing the video. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and power off the unit. I press mode to get out of that, and now I can just power off the unit by pressing the power button for 2 seconds, and the unit will shut down.